and it was a really, really nice place. I really liked it.
Yeah. I haven't been to Istanbul, but it's on.
Yeah, one day. You said you haven't been here, right? Cool.
No, I
So,
haven't yet.
all right. So I'm gonna show you your account. Can you see my screen?
Not
Let me
yet.
just make it a little bit bigger. Not yet. So let me share my screen again. All right. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Perfect. So like you said, you're looking for a membership management platform, right? You want to charge people monthly subscription fees. You want to keep track of their status, like how much they paid, if they owe you something, if they're in past due status. You can easily follow up with that. We will give you a platform where they can apply to become a member. They can log in and manage their cards and payments and everything on the platform. So right now, like you created your account and it's Melvin's Slow Dance Studio, and the URL is raklet.com/MLDS. Anyone can go here. They can browse your events, your membership plans. There's also a newsfeed where you can publish updates and announcements. And they have their own profiles. They can manage their own payments, their tickets. So I'm assuming like you might be using the events module as well, so that you create those classes, people register, RSVP, they come, show up, you check them in, right? So I'm gonna be showing you all the features that we have here, which will make your life really easy. So before going there, I will show you the anonymous version. So this site works if I'm not logged in as well. There's a login link and there's a become a member link. If I click on login, there's different options like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and you don't have an email, and maybe you can use your phone number and log in with a text message as well. And there's also a become a member link. And everything you see on the platform is customizable. So you can add more fields here. You can change layout, colors, button, everything is customizable. And then what we can do here is we can create
Sorry,
a month. What's
did you
that?
say that they can log in with a phone number as well instead of email address?
Exactly. So if they want to log in with their phone number, they can enter their phone number. We send them a text message with a code. They enter the code and then they log in.
Okay. Great. Yeah.
So like you have a standard form here, email, first name, last name. And then if you click apply, then this creates an application and you will get notified as an admin. And they also need to go to their inbox, and we will, we will send them another email once they approve. And I can take you to the admin panel now. How much do you plan to charge these monthly members?
Depending on the package that they choose, ranging from 50 to 100 over.
All right. So what do you call those packages? Package 1, package 2?
Well, you can call it light. Yeah.
What is it?
Light, regular, and intensive.
Light. How
Light,
much do you
regular, and
charge?
intensive.
How much light do you charge?
50,
Light
for
is
example.
50. And this is Singapore dollars, probably. I'll say months. And this is every month. Public can apply, people can apply, members. And if they don't pay, maybe you're going to be canceling their subscription in 15 days if it's unpaid. And then you can say, convert these to frozen members and cancel the most recent invoice that's generated. And you can set up automated reminders. So the system sends out emails to tell them, hey, you have an upcoming payment. Please click and pay, update your card, and that type of stuff. And you can add like benefits of light membership, right?
Right.
And then light description. I'm going to be creating another one for you here for the sake of the demo. So let's add a plan. Regular, how much is regular? 100?
Yeah, 100 is fine. Yeah.
All right. And then I'll put the same settings here just to stay in sync. And I'm not enabling any reminders, but you can do that later. Benefits of regular membership. And so like people can apply to these plans right now, right? There are different pricing, and let's go to the help center first. It looks like we need to set up your currency and everything. Oh, it looks like it's updated, but let's see. So this is not your time zone, right? Where are you based? Singapore should be UTC plus 5, somewhere
That's
here,
8.
8. And SGD is your currency. It's English, Melvin, MLDS. We can add your fab icon here as well. You can add your URL there. And let's save.
Right.
So the next step
Right,
is
okay.
just to add your bank account. We need your bank account number and the routing number, and you can start collecting payments right away. So it just takes like a
Right.
couple minutes. You have the
Okay.
membership plans here, so they can apply, right? And I'll show you, like there's already one pending application. We just created Michael Jordan application recently, right? You can view details. And if everything looks good, you can approve his membership. And then another email will be sent to him saying that, hey, your membership is approved, right? And also I'm gonna be opening the settings tab on the side. And under this settings, so do you want to approve your members automatically when they apply, or do you want to just like verify their applications first?
Yeah, I think automatically is fine.
All right, as long as they pay, they're approved, right?
Yeah.
All right, so under settings, you have general application form and digital card, and we can enable auto approve applicants there. Do you want to collect payments via bank transfer or just credit card?
I was just going to ask, is payment within the app or is it not integrated?
It's integrated. You don't need to sign up for any other service, so they can simply pay here on the platform, and you are going to be seeing all the payments right there.
Right. Okay. I guess. And if I enable bank transfers, what's the difference? That would be
It will give a second option, bank info for payments.
Yeah, probably just activate that first.
Okay. And then on the application form, so like you can change title text, you can add some footer text, right? Footer text, you can add like benefits of membership in general. You can explain like light, regular, and extensive, you said. Right. I'm just like putting some dummy content here so that we can see what happens. And then you can add some fields. By default, you have 3 fields, but you can add the birth date field. If you want to add some custom fields, you can also do that, right? Just create a new custom field, add a name, like a certificate or ID. You can say text, or you can say drop-down checkbox file, and that field will be there. And we can enable, is there an application fee? Like, do they need to pay? No. Okay, so I enabled the card form as well. And now if you go to your form, it is MLDS/apply. You have the benefits and some plans explained. You have the terms. You have your agreement here, and then the fields. And now I have these options, right? Light and regular. If I choose light, let's say I'm at Kobe@raklet.com, Kobe and Bryant, and let's say I accept, and I can choose a date. And on the next screen, you see there's a wire transfer and there's a credit card.
Right,
so
right. Okay.
that's the thing, right? If you add your bank info here, then they're going to see a bank info, and this is the reference number they need to provide to their bank, and then you can match those payments. But if they add their card, this will be also there. For the sake of the demo, I'm not adding my card, but you get the idea, right? They add their card, that's total, and you will not charge them until you approve. So like if you can see your applications, and then if they provide a card, it will be visible right there, and you can charge the card on file. If not, you can simply approve this. The system will create an invoice and start their subscription, but there will not be payments, right? So like they will be in balance past due status. So for example, we approve the application, the subscription is created automatically, and we can look at the details of the person. If you don't need any of these fields, just archive them. It's in your settings. If you need
Okay.
more fields, you can add them.
Okay.
All the membership is right there. So we can see that he has a light subscription,
Right.
investor status, and this is the invoice. And you can click on the invoice and see the details here, right?
Got it.
And
Okay.
they can also download this. And under membership, the final thing is your digital card. So if you want to give a membership card to these people, you can do that. You can customize the look and feel. It has a QR code on it. And when they come to your
Right.
door,
Right.
you can simply scan that code. And let me just go to, do you have any questions so far?
I do. On the recurring payments, so besides allowing the charge on the credit card to renew automatically, is there a way I can add in a renewal for the membership as well? So for now, it's just on a monthly basis. What if at the beginning they're already prepared to commit for 6 months, 12 months on the same plan? Is there any way I can kind of encourage that recurrence?
Sure. And how do you expect them to pay? Just
And second
upfront?
question, the same way. So if they had committed to a renewed charge on the credit card and they would like to switch between subscription plans, how would that work then?
So I'm creating a subscription for myself, right? So on my account, I added a subscription, regular subscription, and let me add a member note here, M-000 dash 0001, right? And if I go to the members area now, I'm not sure why it's saying my address is not correct. What is going on here? So if I go to the membership tab, then it shows my membership card. You can change the look and feel and the color, right? And it's past due. I can pay now on the platform. I can add this to my wallet. And if I need a new membership, I can click this and I can choose one of the other options, right? So I can switch to light, for example.
Okay.
And then now I have a light and the regular subscription.
Okay. So if I had clicked on the charge my card automatically every month, and if I were to
Then,
switch from light to regular 1 month, does it automatically deduct the correct fees then?
no, it's all up to you. So we don't do anything smart, right? Like, because each organization is different. Sometimes they want to prorate, sometimes they want to refund, sometimes they just keep it as it is and start a new subscription. So whatever you need, just let us know and we can set it up accordingly. But out of the box, we do not cancel their scheduled payments if they choose a new plan. And by default, like, they cannot cancel their membership, right? They need to contact you first. And if I go to my payments, I can see my scheduled payments and my cards here. And that's what I can manage. But like switching and signing up to another plan, it doesn't automatically changes the automated payments.
Okay, got it.
And then as
Okay.
a member, I can also see the invoices, right? With your own details and everything.
Yeah.
I have another meeting starting shortly, but like I hope this was helpful. Like,
Yeah, it was. Just a quick question. Is there an app version of this?
sure, just download the iPhone and Android apps for Raklet, and
Oh,
anyone
okay.
can use it. And if you need a branded app for your studio, we can also build one. It's $250 per month. So what is your
Right.
budget for the platform? I think you're on the free plan right now. Let's check it out.
Well, to be honest, we are still really in the exploratory stage, so just trying to find a software that works. But if this is something that could support our plan, yeah, definitely might look to upgrade to different membership options. Right. Okay.
So you're currently on the free plan. It supports up to 50 contacts. You can use this free forever. It gives you one admin account and one custom field, so that like you can just keep it as long as you need. And
Right.
you can consider upgrading to one of these paid plans, Essentials, Professional, or Premium. They have different number of custom fields, different number of contacts, different number of admin accounts. So check it out and let me know like which one would work better for you. But you can, as I mentioned, like stay on the free plan, create your membership plans, make
Sure.
sure your application form looks good, right? You can send them emails and text messages. I'll also enable the social network side here for you so that you can customize that default announcement. You can just go there and say, hey, welcome to Melvin Studio. This is where you manage, right? You can just do that.
Did I see that the digital membership card is not available for the free plan? So the
The
one
digital card it comes with the professional plan.
Right. Okay.
Do you need the card feature?
No, I just saw the demo, so I thought it was included, but I saw it's not. Okay, no problem. All right.
All right.
Yeah, I think
And
this is good.
do you run classes and or organize events in your studio?
Yeah. Yes, we do.
In that case, just go to App Store and then enable sell tickets.
Right. Okay.
This will have a really good use. Let's say you have a Zumba class or some Pilates class, right, coming up. And then you can create that one here. Pilates class this Saturday. And then you can choose on time. You can create like different tickets, right? And then people can sign up to these classes so that you know how many people are coming for sure. You can choose either online or venue-based events, right? And then you can create different tickets. Cool. So that's pretty much what I have on my end. And let us know if you have any questions. You can always click on the chat button on the bottom right corner here, this yellow button, and then send us a message. If you need help importing data or setting up your accounts, we can always help out.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.
Thank you very much for the demo.
Bye-bye.
Bye.